All right, so let's go over some differences between the RIDGID Track Saw and the Ryobi Track Saw. One is that the RIDGID has a magnesium blade cover as well as an aluminum base, where the Ryobi has a metal blade cover and a plastic base. The RIDGID track adjustment has the lock here for 45-degree angles, allows here for keeping it snug against the track, where the Ryobi is just little tension adjusters, and the knobs they're just not user-friendly. Now, RIDGID, when it comes to adjusting the depth of cut, has a very simple to use push button slide adjuster, where the Ryobi, you have a knob in here, you have to adjust it, it takes the pressure off of here, and you have to try to bring it up here, and just even that is taking me way too long just to do that. As far as the RIDGID, when it comes to adjusting the angle of your cut, you have a knob in the front and a knob in the back, making it super simple to adjust this. And it actually has 3 locking points, one at 0, 22.5, and 45. Those large knobs are well built and easy to use. They're great for your fingers, especially if you have fat fingers. Where the Ryobi, again, you have your knob in the front and back, but the tilt is just on a screw. It gets caught all the time, and it's not smooth. Now, when it comes to the RIDGID Track Saw, one of the greatest features about this is it can truly be a plunge saw. With that being said, is when you plunge, your riving knife will move if the material is in the way until the blade cuts through and then slide into place as it's spring loaded. The Ryobi is not, and it is a fixed riving knife, and it is unable to move. The only way to do that is by adjusting the Allen key in there, taking it out, and then allowing the plunge and then putting it back in. Now, the RIDGID Track Saw, again, has a rotating 360-degree dust boot that allows you to attach dust collection system onto it. The Ryobi is fixed, and it's unable to move. As you can see too, that the RIDGID Track Saw is a little bit more slimline, sleek looking saw in regards to just a more squared off saw that the Ryobi built. Now, when it comes to the actual track of the track saw, the RIDGID Track Saw is 1.25 inches wider than the Ryobi. This allows for it to grab a little bit more surface material, keeping it a little bit more stable. Where this one, you have a narrower saw, it has a little bit more wiggle room, tilt room, where this allows more surface area for the saw to be placed on. Again, you can't go wrong with the RIDGID Track Saw. They did an amazing job developing this saw. And for the price point of $399 for a DIY or a woodworker, this is a perfect saw for you.